My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension that is called Block Access Site. Block Access Site is an unwanted browser extension that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers based on the Chromium open source project. This extension indicates that it can help block access to sites to increase your productivity. Maybe this feature is good for some people, but the trouble is that this particular extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it starts to show the tremendous portion of intrusive pop-ups that are not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove this unwanted extension. Finally, we recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.